y'all, this is Stacy Lynn for southernplate.com. Just jumping in to remind you that we've got some other cornbread recipes like this hot water cornbread. We've also got our Mexican cornbread that everybody loves with that little bit of jalapeno. Then we also have our Dixie cornbread straight from Georgia that recipe comes from. And if you like chicken pot pie, we've got cornbread top chicken pot pie. So if you want to know more about these recipes and see the ingredients, just head on over to southernplate.com, put cornbread in the search box, and it'll take you right there. Thank y'all, and sure do hope you like them.